everyone, and welcome to new releases. Now, if you guys see this stack, there are a ton of new releases today. There are a few favorites coming back. Now, I am gonna keep adding to all of these doodles in the shop. There's just gonna be a ton of doodles that I have been working on literally the past weeks. I don't even know how long I've been working on these, but I try to keep today's collection in kind of like a series type of thing. So you guys will know once I get to them. But yeah, all of these are all of the new stickers or reformatted stickers. I'll let you know if it's a favorite or something. I did add a rainbow banner to the top of these pages. That way you guys know that these are just the normal pastel, I guess, doodles in the shop, because there will be some neutral ones coming. I don't know when, but they are coming. So you guys will know when that comes, when I actually release all of these in neutral colors soon. But let me get into all of these stickers because this intro is very long. So there are a ton of new sheets here. And I'm gonna go by categories, I guess, so you guys can see what I mean. So first off, we have samplers. Now, I did add a ton of samplers to the shop. This one is the fun drink samplers, just because there are coffee cups, you know, like iced drinks, bobas, and iced coffees in the sheet. However, I know not everyone likes some of these in their life, so I also included, and you guys might see a few of the other ones coming, individual sheets. So you guys are going to see that if you have a sampler, you might have it in a separate sheet as well. So we have the normal sampler here, and then we have coffee tumblers, and then we have the like hot drinks and cold drinks for coffee, as well as like a boba sheet. Now, if you don't see a specific item that's from the sampler sheet, like I don't think I made these drinks yet because I think some of these I pulled from the seasonal collection. They will be coming sometime soon whenever I get to them. That is the drinks one. Now we're gonna just move on to art. Now there are a ton of these in here. I think I put art and pens together. Technically, this also goes with all the crafting sheets. So we have your typical like art sampler. You have your art palettes, paint brushes, you know, a few like notebooks and things like this, which would be the art sampler. Then we have the paint palette sheet, the paint brushes only, and then paint set. So, and then this is under the art section, but it's like, you have like crayons, pencils, just a bit of everything plus pens, which leads me to these two sheets. So we have the pen cups here, and then you have the pen pouches as well. I actually had this specific sheet a really long time ago in the shop, but I added like pens to this one. There's a version of this on the planner cart that I was doing for samplers, but yeah, this is what this sheet like looks like. Literally, there's so much detail in this that you can't even tell, because from far away these stickers are about like half an inch or so. I tried keeping them all within half an inch or smaller. Next, we have the birthday ones. Now, I think I have a few more coming to the shop soon, but I just haven't gotten to them. So you have the birthday sampler, which is perfect to decorate for your birthday specifically. You have like candles, the new balloons. I did reformat those, or I did redraw the new balloons, the cupcakes, and then cake. Plus, you have the actual just balloon sheet and the cupcake sheet. Now, I think I haven't gotten to the cake sheet yet. If you also want the candles as individual, like a whole sheet of just these candles, let me know, because I think I was only working on the like normal candles, and those aren't even in the shop today. So yeah, then we have money slash budget, savings, and things of that nature. Believe I called this one the budget sampler, mini sampler or something. So you have like a notebook with like calculator, a savings jar, and then I also have them as individual sheets as well. But I also have the calculators. Also, this works if you take math for school. Moving on, I'm gonna say crafts and hobbies, because some of these are more hobbies. Crafts like sampler, so you literally have a bunch of scissors, glue, scrapbook paper. Plus, I updated this one from the crafting day sheet that I originally had in the shop. I think I only had like the scissors on this one. Also made these a little bit smaller than the old sheet. I also added glue because technically when you're cutting paper, you also use glue. Scissors, these just got a little bit of a makeover. And then we have the CraftsHobby sheet. So you have your silhouettes, your yarn, sewing machines, and glue guns. And I do have the individual sheets for these as well. So you have your silhouette sheets, your yarn, your sewing machines, and your glue guns for those of you who do very specific crafts in your life and you don't want the sampler sheet. So we have the individual ones. That's what I mean, like when I saying I kind of did sets for today's release. So moving on to chores. I guess grocery shopping isn't really a chore, it's just more like a weekly thing, but we do have some grocery bags. I changed what was inside the bag. I think I only had vegetables. I added some bread and milk in there. And then down here, there's literally so much detail you can't even tell anymore. In the grocery basket, there is a bottle, which I guess could be either wine or olive oil. A little coffee thing that you can't even read that says coffee because it's so tiny, literally like a millimeter or so. Plus the vegetables that I took out of the shopping bag or out of the grocery bag into the shopping basket. I think I had the broccoli like right here. I moved it down and then I added like carrots, and then you have like a carton of milk or I guess juice or whatever you want. Yeah, so you have the individual sheets of those two though. So you have your grocery bags, your grocery baskets, and then I have empty baskets as well because I know sometimes a bunch of clutter does not go with the aesthetic. So I just did empty ones. Also, in case you're not going to the grocery store, you're going somewhere else, that works too. And then I also added the Target ones with no explanation needed. So now we have Deco. Some of these were in the shop before. Actually, I think all of these were in the shop before. I just kind of slightly either updated the color. This one specifically, I only had the flag banner in the triangle. I added the other version of the flag banners to the colors. Now you have twice the amount of stickers. The next sheet are the washi strips. This is a very popular sheet. Literally, I think I can't keep this one in stock. I brought it back obviously for a reason. Then we have the scallop boxes. These are also super popular. So you have like the warm tones and then the cool tones. I think I just updated the color just tiny bit, like you won't even notice a difference. But yeah, those are back in the shop. I added these flag banners. I think I'm calling these ribbon banners. These are new in the shop. I think I had it on a sampler a long time ago, but they just never made it to a sheet until now. The highlighters are back. The script ones are technically not back in the shop as of right now, but these are the blank ones. The ones with the scripts inside them, I know those are also super popular. Those will be back soon. I'm redoing fonts and I'm also creating my own. Okay, then lastly we have the tabs. These were also a current shop item. I just made these all a solid color. They had the polka dot background. You can easily just fold these in half. You'll be able to get a bow tab. Okay, now we have the last of the Deco sheets, which are kind of reformats and kind of new sheets in the middle. So we do have a laundry sampler. I think I had a laundry sampler before, but I updated it completely. I added clotheslines, stickers, baskets, plus I updated the laundry machines. I made them more boxy, less curved, and more 3D. So we do have all of the laundry clotheslines here, the laundry machines, the laundry baskets, and then we also have trash and recycling samplers and individual sheets because I had to. So yeah, so we have the trash cans, the trash recycling, plus the individual sheets as I mentioned. So you can have either or if you just need double the amount of stickers, you can get like both of these. I know some people use these because they actually go to the recycling center. For me, I actually have to remind myself to take out the recycling from the office. So yeah, those are in the shop. And then we have the TV icons. I believe these are sort of new / not new. They were in the shop a while ago as well, and they were never in the reformat or old new reformat. And then we have updated bathtubs. I just kind of updated it to be more doodly, at least the bubbles, because of the bubbles I had before did not really look like bubbles, so I made them a little bit bigger. Lastly, because this is the last sheet, we have cameras because I needed these. So okay, so there are more sheets coming. I promise I will try to get as many up as soon as possible. I hope you guys like these sheets. Now, if you don't see something in the shop that I did have before, not counting seasonal things, please let me know, because I am still working on a ton of stickers. So I'll just add it to the list to make sure, but I'll put it up at the top of it. That way I know that that one's requested. But yeah, that is it for today's release. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe for more videos and to keep up with all the new releases. That way I can show you guys what's in the shop. I am going to list these on Etsy, but it might take me a while because I'm going to do the listings a little bit different. Go grab them in the shop. I will link everything down in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye everyone.